Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you.
Hey guys, it's me, Johnston, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we are going to open some boxes, some things that I got recently from Amazon, from Chanel, and I am also going to unbox a special gift that I'm so excited that my husband gave to me for Valentine's Day. I asked for this specifically because, oh my god, I really want this for a long time, and I think it's about time for me to have it. So I will tell you later why I like this item, why I asked for this. So yeah, I guess let's start opening these items. So first thing, so I got this 10 pieces anti-exposure pins. Looks like this. These are the pins to put on your shirts or your dress, so that so that it's not gonna expose your whatever you don't want to expose, or if you wanna tight your dress a little bit, so you can also use this. So it looks like that. I got a protector. This is a glass screen protector, and I will tell you why later. I got a phone case too. These are for the new phone that my husband gave to me. Again, it's for Valentine's Day too. So he got me that gift and this big box right here. I ordered a case from Casetify, but it's still not here. It's taking a long time. It's still on process the last time I checked it. So it might not gonna be here, I don't know, maybe a week or two. So I'm not sure when it's coming. So I figured I am going to get a phone case for the meantime. Guys, I really recommend Casetify, because here for my iPhone 11 Pro Max, so I have this case for a long time, and I dropped this for many times already. Like one time I dropped it on the stairs, all the way in the bottom. Nothing happened. It didn't crack. It also doesn't have what do you call the glass protector. I don't have it, but still my phone is protected. So I know Casetify is so expensive, but they are worth it. So I recommend them. You can use your favorite influencer's code. Sometimes they have 20% off, but I use my favorite influencer. It's 15% off, so why not? So next I am going to show you this one. This is probably not even mine, because the name is my husband's name, but anyway, let's open it. I don't know what is this. Did you order something, babe?
What?
Did you order something from Amazon?
No, what?
Well, this is in your name. A lot of things also arrive. It's gonna be Jericho's birthday tomorrow, my son. We got him a Nintendo Switch and some games too. I'll link everything down below. I got him a Pokemon Switch and Pokemon what do you call that? But we gave everything already to him. Even it's not his birthday yet. Oh yeah, it's the Pokemon Sword and the Pokemon Shield. So it looks like this. And then I got this for him too, holder. And then this is what we got for him, the Nintendo Switch OLED model. And accessories kit. This one is from Chanel. Got this gift for my friend Celeste. So it's super late. Just arrived yesterday. So no, actually it's just arrived today. So I am going to give it to her tomorrow. So I'm gonna see her tomorrow anyway. Oh. I think this is actually a better packaging if you ordered online in the websites. Because look at the packaging. It's so nice. See? So. And there's an envelope. So this is the receipt and a, what do you call this? A return slip. That is so cute. I am kind of jealous. My goodness. I think I am going to purchase some for myself too, because I was thinking of buying. That's so cute. Look at that. Let's open it up. Wow. Look at that. This is actually really nice. I recommend just going to the website and buy this. Because remember, if you saw that video on my Vlogmas, I ordered something from myself and my mother-in-law, and the packaging is not that nice. So I think this is perfect. So I believe this is the card. Let's see. Yep. That's the card. I am going to write my name later there. And this is the complimentary samples. Also, if you ordered online on the website, there's a complimentary 2 gifts that you can get. So of course I chose this and then this. So that's good. This is perfect for traveling. So, and it's nice because it's came with a like pouch. And if you can see that, see, there's a Chanel here. It's like a Dior. Dior has something like this too. So, and then here's my gift. It's just a small one. It's a nail polish. So, and I like this color. This is a limited edition color. I actually love it. I hope she loves it. I'm actually gonna get one for myself because I love this color. This is one of my favorite nail polish color. Oh, I forgot to show you the phone case that I got. Here's the phone case that I got. Okay guys, I have to hurry because my GoPro is going to die soon. So next that I am going to show you is this one. I am so excited. This is one of my husband's gift for me. Wow, it's so pretty. So guys, this is the iPhone Pro Max. This is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. and this is in gold color. So I've been wanting this for so long, and finally I got it. My husband got it for me for Valentine's Day. Thank you, hubby. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god, so nice. Look at how slim it is. So, whoa, I almost dropped it. So I guess let's open it up because my battery is dying. So here you go, finally. So I wanted the 1 terabyte, but this is okay. This is the 5 what 526 or something, 512, I forgot. So here you go. Wow, it's so pretty. Here it is, guys. Look at that. Wow, I love the color. And here is the charger. And what is this? I guess this is the pin that you use to open the SIM card, and of course the sticker. Nice. So here you go. Let's remove the sticker. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, here, let me compare my 11 Pro Max. my husband has 12, so I should take his phone and kind of do the comparison video. So here is the 13, and this is the 11 Pro Max. 13 Pro Max, 11. So I love this 13. Oh my god. Hola. Oh my god. Bonjour. So this is the iPhone 12 that my hubby has. Is it 12 Pro Max or is it only 12?
12 Max Pro.
But here's the difference. I don't know if there's I think the 13 is a little bigger, as you can see. And here's the back. This is the 12, this is the 13. So there's not much difference. Yep. Bigger camera, the 13. And here is the front. Side by side. So next box is this boxes right here. They're a little heavy. Can you get this, babe? Here. 1, 2, 3. Yes, guys, this is the Dyson Outsize Absolute Plus. Aww. Love this. Guys, if you have pet, you can relate. I have 4 dogs, so I really need this. So let's open her up. My husband is so excited for this actually. So I'm just gonna open it real quick. Guys, here it is. So here are some of the attachments that came with it. Here's another, what do you call this, head? I think it's called charging station. This one is for the beds. This one is for the like furnitures and beds. I need this because I had a hard time cleaning Sophie's bed last time. My bougie vacuum. Woo! So here is my bougie vacuum. I will link it down below, guys, just in case you are interested. And let me know if you want me to do a review on it. Also, this is just a stand unit?
Yeah. You plug that in and charge it while it's on a stand so you don't mount it to the wall.
Huh.
That's the one that was $100 off.
Freestanding charging dock. Oh. So here is, this one is the Dyson V11 freestanding charging dock. So this is where you charge it. So this one is the Dyson Total Clean Kit. This is it. I got this also shelves right here. I am going to put a picture how it looks like. I don't want to open it right now because I am going to assemble it right now. So yeah. It's Valentine's today, guys. Happy Valentine's! So, my husband, my sweet husband, got me some flowers. They are so pretty. And also, he got me these strawberry chocolates, coated chocolates. And he got me this card right here that you have to fold and then watch that. Is that so cute? Oh my god. So, and then my boss gave this to me. And some chocolates. I hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day. And yeah, that's all. So yeah, guys, that's all for this video. I have a lot of mess in here. Yep, my husband's working on my phone and I'm gonna charge my new vacuum because I'm so excited to use it. So yep, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you get update. Click the notification bell so you get updated whenever I upload some videos. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and my Facebook page too. Because I've been posting some videos, a lot of reels and a lot of TikTok videos. So check it out. Bye.
Eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right. We're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow